Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving simple linear equations. In the upcoming example, we'll be seeing how simple linear equations are solved. Let's look at the first question. It says solve for x and we're given the equation x minus 13 equals to negative 4. Let's rewrite the equation x minus 13 equals to negative 4. To solve for x means that we have to isolate x on the left side of the equality sign to find out its value. That means we have to do away with this negative 13. To remove this negative 13, if we add 13 to this side, this negative 13 can be removed. Now, in order to maintain the balance of the equation, the similar operation is done on the other side of the equality sign. That is, if 13 is added over here on the left side, 13 will be added on the right hand side also. This is very important, otherwise our answer will go wrong. Now this negative 13 plus 13 becomes 0. X equals to negative 4 plus 13. One negative number, one positive number we subtract, that is 13 minus 4 is 9. Keeping the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 13 and is positive, so we write x equals to positive 9 or simply x equals to 9. Therefore, the value of x in the given equation is 9. That can be seen in option A. For better understanding, let's look at the next question. Solve for x and we're given the equation negative 3 plus x equals to negative 16. Let's rewrite the equation. Here it is. Now we have to solve for x, that is, we have to do away with this negative 3. Now if we add 3 to this negative 3, so let's see what happens. This negative 3 plus 3 will become 0. Not to forget, similar operation to be done on the other side of the equality sign as well. So this term becomes 0. 0 plus x equals to one negative number, one positive number we subtract. 16 minus 3 is 13, keeping the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 16 and has a negative sign. So x equals to negative 13 is the final answer and can be seen in option A. Let's look at the next question. Solve for x and we're given 7x equals to 126. So let's rewrite 7x equals to 126. Now in this question we see that x has a coefficient of 7. To solve for x, that is to find out the value of x, we have to do away with this 7. So what do? Here 7 is multiplied by x. So in order to do away with, we can divide by 7 on both sides. Again, not to forget, similar operation to be done on the other side of the equality sign as well. Now 7 divided by 7 becomes 1. So we have 1 times x equals to, let's see how we can simplify this fraction. 126 is divisible by 7 also. So 7 times 1, we can cross cancel. 7 times 1 is 7, 5 and 18. So x equals to 18 is the final answer and can be seen in option B. I hope solving simple linear equations is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.